Sahih al-Bukhari 3143, narrated Urwa bin Az-Zubair radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Hakim bin Hizam radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, I asked Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam for something, and he gave me. I asked him again, and he gave me, and he said to me, O Hakim radiyallahu ta'ala anha, this wealth is like green sweet, i.e. fruit, and if one takes it without greed, then one is blessed in it, and if one takes it with greediness, then one is not blessed in it and will be like the one who eats without satisfaction, and an upper, i.e. giving hand is better than a lower, i.e. taking hand. I said, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, by him who has sent you with the truth, I will not ask anyone for anything after you till I leave this world. So when Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anha during his Khilafat called Hakim radiallahu ta'ala anha to give him some money, Hakim radiallahu ta'ala anha refused to accept anything from him. Once Umar radiallahu ta'ala anha called him during his Khilafat in order to give him something, but Hakim radiallahu ta'ala anha refused to accept it. Whereupon Umar radiallahu ta'ala anha said, O Muslims, I give him, Hakim radiallahu ta'ala anha, his right which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has assigned to him from his 5 booty, but he refused to take it. So Hakim radiallahu ta'ala anha never took anything from anybody after the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam till he died. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.